Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So what we have here right now is the Xiaomi Pad 6. I just got this a few hours ago. So I bought it from the Xiaomi official store of Shopee. So what makes this tablet so special is because it was just released recently, and it has a Snapdragon 870, which is very high processor when it comes to a tablet. And the predecessor, which is the Xiaomi Pad 6, has only Snapdragon 860. So technically, for the performance, gaming, and especially yung experience mo on this tablet is really going to be different. So we're going to unbox this right now and see what's inside. So here we go. It's already unwrapped. We're going to unbox it right now. There we go. So here comes the official cover, wherein you're going to see the features there. So it's a 144 hertz WQHDI Care display. So yun yung sinasabi ko, the Snapdragon 870 flagship processor. There are quad speakers, which is meaning to say malakas siya, maingay siya. 840 milliamp hour battery, so matagal siya. And then you have a 33 watts fast charging battery as well, charger. And by the way, it has a Dolby Vision feature, which is very nice for this tablet. So what we have under the hood is, let's go ahead and see what this is. Oh, so you have your manuals and your warranty kit. Okay, and we also have your power brick. Oy, malaki siya. It's a 33 watt power brick charger, and then a Type-C. So as we all know, kapag Xiaomi, color orange yung tip niya. So there you go. There are different color tips kasi from other phones eh. So Huawei, medyo purple siya. Then Vivo, blue siya. Oppo ay green ang Oppo, I think. So there you go. So let's go ahead and reveal na yung Xiaomi Pad 6. So I don't know how you do this, but I think it's going to be at the top. Oh, there you go. Yan. Medyo makapte siya dun sa cover na. Ayan. Medyo malaki nga po siya. The front-facing camera is located there instead of here, kasi I think if it's on landscape mode and you're doing your work, dito siya nakakapte. Turning it on, there you go, your Xiaomi logo. Ganda ng camera, guys. So, by the way, the color that we have is, ano nakalagay na color? Oh, it's a gravity gray. So ayan siya. There you go. So I think this is not sure if it's a polymer coating or polycarbonate, but the smudges of your fingerprint is not visible when you're touching it, so that's a good sign. So we have the power button here. And then you have your speaker at the top, 2 speakers at the top, and then another 2 speakers bottom, and then the Type-C port, USB Type-C port. And you have your mic in here, 1 mic here, another mic in here, another mic in here. So you have 3 microphones. So meaning to say, oh, another here. So apat yung microphone niya, guys. Meaning to say, I think this is really going to be a work tablet for everyone, not just a gaming tablet or tablet for kids. So we're setting it up right now. And by the way, guys, I've noticed that it also supports Wi-Fi 6. Wi-Fi 6 is the most advanced Wi-Fi technology today. So, kung ko-connect siya sa Wi-Fi mo, mabilis siya. Okay, there you go. It's already connected. So now it's preparing itself for its home screen. And while waiting for that, guys, while waiting for the tablet, I was able to purchase this online as well. It is a keyboard encased in one, and it has the trackpad at the middle, wherein I'll go ahead and provide you the link at the end of this video so that you know where to purchase this. So it's already ready. So I'm not going to copy anything here because we're setting this up as a new tablet. So there. So we're going to put this here now. Yan. So we're good. Nalagay ko na dun sa case. Okay. So na-recognize na siya. So I'll just go ahead and skip this one. And it's preparing for the Google services. So I'll just go ahead and accept it. I'll skip it. Click on OK. Still setting up. So ang goal lang naman natin makapunta siya sa home screen eh. So setup is already complete. Just go ahead and swipe this one and we're at the home screen. So we're currently at in your desktop na, your home screen. So parang nga siyang laptop, guys. So I'm very amused na ganito yung itsura niya. So you can also detach this from the keyboard itself. So ayan yung itsura niya. So you also have your pencil that you can place in here. That's sold separately. I can go ahead and order one in the future, but I think this is very amazing kasi grabe yung ano niya, yung specs niya. So let's try to look for an app wherein we can go ahead and update available. So there you go. So we're updating some apps here. So there, we were able to set it up already. So we had to cut some portion of the video kasi ano yung username natin, ganun. So that is the front-facing camera of the Xiaomi Pad 6. Sobrang linaw niya, guys. Grabe, nabili po. So ayan siya. And then we're going to test some siguro mga uncopyrighted sounds lang. Lakas niya, guys. So, let's try. So, na-attach na natin yung keyboard. So, nakita nyo naman yung durog niya. Galing. Di ba, anak? Grabe yung keyboard niya, no? Ayan. So, let's try to... So, escape na natin. Malakas nga siya. So, for more in-depth review for this special tablet, it's going to be on another video, but for now it's just a simple unboxing, just letting you know the basic feature and what are the contents of it. And thank you so much for watching our video. Keep subscribing. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.